Hello and welcome to the Skidizens. I'm Jai.
I'm Bailey.
And I'm Devon.
And basically we're just a group of mates from Queensland and we've been going to different car events all throughout the last couple of years. We've got a couple cars that we like to get out on track, and we've sort of had a lot of footage that we've taken but not really had anywhere to put it, and this is sort of the place where we get to showcase what we're all about and what we plan to do.
Yeah, so pretty much the Skidizens is our name. These are our stickers. The idea of the Skidizens is that it's a bit of a group. You're able to join the group by just slapping a sticker on your car. It's nothing special. We'll have these stickers available from us at different events that we're at. If you see us out in the street, come grab one. We'll have it on some sort of website soon enough as well. And pretty much these stickers, if we see one of these stickers on your car at an event, we might ask you if we can go for a ride, or you might even want to get your Skidizensship. Now what your Skidizensship is, pretty much when you have one of these stickers on your car, we see you out, take us for a ride, you'll get, well, and you prove yourself.
Show us what you got.
Yeah, show us what you're made of.
Yeah.
And we like what you've done, then we'll slap an approved sticker on there. We don't like it,
you're gonna get deported.
you're out of here.
Yeah.
So, we're gonna have birth certificates. We're gonna have a prime Skidistar. A couple of different things in the work. Just fine tuning at the moment.
A lot of things to work out. At
Yeah.
this point.
Plenty of things to work out.
I have heaps of fun with it.
Yeah. So alongside this, the Skidizens, and you being able to get your Skidizensship and be part of it and be verified, where people can, if they see that you have been approved, they might want to know how, so they'll jump onto the YouTube channel. We'll have your approval video put up onto there, where everyone can go through and see what you've done, why you're a tough car, why that you're an approved Skidizen. So alongside that, we're going to be doing some build videos as well. These two boys do have cars. I don't at the moment, but do plan on doing something in the future. But Devon, your car?
Yeah, got a BA XR6T. Just pretty much stock bottom end, got, you know, bloody oil pump gears and valve springs, and, you know, all the decent gear with the fuel system, and makes 570 at the wheels.
570 on a bottom.
Yeah, on a little rod, so we are pushing it a little bit, but still low boost, so we'll see how we go.
And you plan on doing a bit of a change to your setup?
Yeah, planning to go a bit of a drift build, so coilovers and extra lock knuckles and all the good gear that'll keep me out on the track nicely.
Yep.
And and then I've got a little daily Datsun 1200 Ute, but soon to hopefully make it a bit of a power cruise car, you know.
Yeah. Big blower hanging out.
Yeah, you know, something extreme, too extreme.
And Bailey, you've got this beast that we're sitting on?
This is the FG XR8 Ute. Goes pretty good for not a whole lot done to it, just the blower strapped on, just the blower strapped onto the stock motor. It's pumping about 540 at the wheels.
Yeah.
E85, all the goods. Yeah, not much to say about it now.
You've got some more plans coming up in the future for it.
A few more plans, like we'd love to put it down the strip, see what it does down a quarter mile and things like that.
Yes.
But that's more about what
you've had it out at roll racing, but do plan on
racing.
going drag racing, more roll racing, drifting. We're gonna have power cruise cars, all the different stuff. So, if you want to see, you see us out there, you want to be in a video and wonder where it is going to be, it'll be on this channel. So make sure you subscribe. You'll see heaps of upcoming footage, upcoming content that we've got. We just went down to Sydney over the weekend for Power Play 33. Massive video coming out for that. So stay tuned, subscribe. Hope you enjoy the future videos.
Cheers. Guys.